Hey everybody, so I got a new wagon to show you. This is how it comes out of the box. It's pretty much put together. We do have this cover on here. Let's go ahead and take that off. All right, now there is a little Velcro strap to hold it in place. And just open it up. Ah, this thing's huge. Look at all the space in this thing. Then you have your bottom here. You'll be able to put your bottom in there. That's going to make it where it's going to be a little more sturdy. Now this also has a side that you can put on with some pockets. All right, so this here, this is going to buckle on, and this is going to give you some pockets. And then there is a little zipper, which you'll be able to zip up as well. All right, now we got some side pockets. So this one also does come with a cargo net too. It also has the larger wheels to make it easier to be outdoors with it. There are a couple of smaller pockets here in the front. Also, the handle is adjustable, so you can make the handle taller or shorter. As you can see, it does have a pretty good range of motion. You can also steer it pretty easily. You can see that it kind of goes with it. This also does have brakes, so you can set the brakes to keep it from moving around. Now, I got this for going fishing. That way I could put my chair, my tackle, everything in this thing. But if you're looking for a really good wagon that's really large, has a cargo net, hold everything in, extra pockets, this is really nice.